All right, so I installed the light kit here and it didn't take too long. It takes about 20 minutes to be able to get these installed properly and just kind of making sure that it fits in. This here's a 20-inch wheel, so it's a little bit on the smaller side for the wheels, but it still was able to work without a problem. And just getting here and locking the little loop around was actually one of the hardest parts, just because it's such a tight little quarter with all the kickstand and the different wheel components here. But all in all, it turned out really good, and that's what it looks like on. And you sit there and spin the wheel, and that's what it looks like spinning. So it just adds a really fun factor to the kids or an adult's bike. These things can work on any size wheel, and just the bigger wheels, you're not going to have as much wrapping. On a bigger standard 24-inch wheel or larger, you might just have it go around one time on the outside or the inside. But here on this 20-inch wheel, you can get two loops done here. So when they're riding, it really does create a full illumination of the wheel. So really great for safety and just fun for the kids to be able to be riding outside at night.